Happy learning, man, again. Today we're going to do a quick experiment that you might need for your science lesson. What you need is a hard-boiled egg, some water, and most importantly, a tablespoon of salt. Let's start the experiment. First of all, let's take our water and drop an egg into it to see what happens. Carefully. It sinks. Can you see, guys? Now let's add a tablespoon of salt. And mix. Now let us drop the egg carefully. It floats, guys! Look, it floats! So why does this happen? When the egg is in water, it sinks because its density of water is less than the egg. But when you add salt, the density is increased. Thus, the egg floats. Hope you liked this experiment and enjoyed it, and hope you tried it out with us too. Well, that's all for today, guys.